Hi, Alice.
I'm so excited because I'm taking Boris with me on a hike up a mountain. It's going to be a hard trip. Not fun.
What? It's not going to be hard.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I could do it with my hands tied behind my back and blindfolded.
Wow.
Don't be silly.
And I could hop all the way.
Oh, come on, Boris. Stop showing off.
What's the girl called who's doing the GFX today?
Why?
Nothing for nosies.
It's Alice.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Elise, can you put my photo album up, please?
Come on, Boris. We need to set off.
This will just take 2 minutes. That's me. Oh, remember the picture? Yeah, that's me and Grandad Frank when he had more hair before we climbed this massive mountain, which was easy, by the way. Yeah. Next picture. Yeah, there's me again, without an oxygen mask. Well, puppets don't need oxygen masks, but if we did, I wouldn't need one anyway. And before you ask, I did look down, and I wasn't scared. Next picture.
Ooh, Boris, your head is growing.
Oh, there is Elmo and me, caving. Yeah.
Wasn't it dark?
Yeah, but I wasn't afraid. It was wet too, but it didn't bother me. It took Elmo 7 hours to get dry again. Next picture. Oh, there's me and Caris at the beach. Anyway. Next picture. Oh yeah, well, mountaineer or adventurers, they've got to relax too. What were you saying, Alice?
We need to leave now before it gets dark. Not that that matters to you.
No, it doesn't. Once I was...
Come on!
Oh, okay. Should we go?
Yeah.
This is easy. It's like a walk in the park.
Boris!
Boris! Oh, I'm here. Ow, I tripped over that massive rock over there.
Where?
Over there. Ow.
Can you see it, kids?
Over there.
You mean that pebble there?
Yeah, it came out of nowhere. Ow.
This reminds me of the scripture.
What?
You were showing off about what a super mountain climber you are, and then you fell. I think God is trying to humble you. Alice, do you have Proverbs chapter 16, verse 18? Can you read it, Boris?
Of course. Pride goes before destruction, a haughty spirit before a fall. What does it mean?
It means people usually fall after they have been showing off. If you don't humble yourself, then God will humble you.
I better change my attitude.
You can say that again.
Okay, I better change my attitude. Now can we go home so my mum can put a plaster on my leg?